Okay, now we are going to do the same on the bottom, but this time we're going to be using a different visual model. We're going to use a number line. Before we draw our number line, we need to first figure out if our answer is going to be greater than 1 or less than 1 by estimating. So for example, 3/5 is bigger than a half, and so is 7/10. And since they're both greater, we know that our answer is going to be greater than 1 if both of them are greater than a half. So our number line will start at 0, but it can't end at 1 because it wouldn't hold all of our work. It has to go to 2. Then we go ahead and we make the first fraction on the number line, which would be 3/5. So we divide 0 to 1, our whole, into fifths. And then once again, our next whole, 1 to 2, into fifths. So our first jump on this number line is going to be 3/5. So if we start at 0 and we count 1, 2, 3/5, we would stop right here. Then, in order to make our fifths into tenths, we need to think about what we would do with the fifths. So we cut the pieces into tenths by splitting each of them in half. After we're at the 3/5, we then count 7/10 more. So from here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7/10. And that's where we end. Then in order to determine our final answer, we know that we have 1 whole and 1, 2, 3/10 past that. So 1 and 3/10. Or we also could call that 10/10, 11, 12, 13/10. Also correct, just as an improper fraction.